If you love watching glamorous videos and would like to be notified every time we drop a new one, please bash that bell icon below.
A bunch of dead skin cells coming together for their annual meet and greet is what causes the dark patches on your elbows and knees. This is fairly common and caused by unavoidable circumstances like daily exposure to sunlight, hyperpigmentation, and even hormonal issues. But every roux has a remedy, so here's coming at you with ones that are all natural. In the category of epic exfoliants, we have baking soda. Trickling down through your skin, it scrubs at the dead skin cells found just under the surface. Mix 1 tablespoon with a tablespoon of milk. Milk works with it in perfect harmony, as its lactic acid soothes and moisturizes the rough patchiness of the area. Use clean hands to massage the mixture onto your elbows or knees for a minute or two every day to reap its first-rate results. The combination of gram flour, turmeric and lime is pure magic because they work well together. Gram flour is your grandmother's age-old secret to correcting an uneven skin tone. Where do you think she got that glow? Certainly not at the dermat's office. It's also an amazing exfoliant, which is exactly what this condition begs for. Mix a tablespoon of this with just a pinch of turmeric to increase its effectiveness through turmeric's antiseptic properties that heal the skin. Next, use the juice of half a lemon to activate your mixture with lemon's natural bleaching properties. Mix through your fresh brew and apply it to your elbows or knees and rinse off in 20 minutes. Reach for this remedy twice or thrice a week and Project Patch Removal is well underway. Since exfoliants are a patch problem prerequisite, a grainy honey and sugar scrub is a real winner. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar to 1 tablespoon of honey. A little squeeze of lemon juice is advisable to accelerate its effect. The honey works to moisturize the skin, making it soft and pliable for the sugar, which can then easily scrub through its layers and get into the dead skin cells to remove any impurities that are stuck there. Do this thrice a week for 15 minutes. Use whichever of these most entices you and power forward to a dark patch detonation. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.